Okay guys, this is my GIMP tutorial on how to create awesome backdrops or whatever you want to make on GIMP. This is the technique to add to them that I use a lot, and you can just make a file any size. Preferably I make mine mostly about the size of my desktop, which is 1600 by 1200 pixels. Then once you've done that, you're going to fill um, make two new layers and then fill them in black so you guys can see that. You're going to make two new layers, not fill the background at all yet. And once you've done that, you're going to go to the background, just add a gradient of your choice. I usually use white to black, and then I change the colors later. So I'm just going to add a gradient. And you click on the gradient button, you switch these, go down here to linear, click on radial, click somewhere in the middle of your thing, and click and drag down. You can't see it right now, but if I put this over here, you can see that it's there, but you can't see it. Now you can, but yeah. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is go to new layer, your first one, and make a difference cloud on it that will be vertical lines. And I'll show you what I mean by that. How you do this is you go to filters, down to render, clouds, difference clouds. This thing that says solid noise will pop up. You're going to set this detail to 15. This you're going to bring all the way to 16. This you're going to bring down to 0.1. There you go, you have vertical lines. And to make it like different, like better, you're going to want to click turbulent. And just click new seed a couple times to make them look original. And just click OK. And then it will start to load at the bottom. Okay guys, once it's done, you're going to click on, just to see what it looks like, you're going to click right here on the eye on the top one. Bring it down here, and that's what it looks like. You can use this effect on anything, just these lines, and you can cut out words and stuff and make them look all cool. Add colors, why not? But for right now, what we're going to do is create something even cooler. Bring this back up, click on that one. We're just going to do the same thing, except we're going to make them horizontal lines. Probably you experienced GIMP users probably already know what I'm going to do. Bring the X size down to 1. Bring the Y size back up to 16. Click new sheet a couple times. Click OK. And wait for it to load. Alright, once it's done loading, you'll have something that looks like this, and then you're going to go over here, click on this one, click on overlay, and then it'll make this cool little pattern right here. This is pretty cool. If you want to leave it at that, mess around with this, you can do that. Or you can click overlay. This looks a little bit better than just regular like that. And next I'll show you some examples that I use this in. Alright. Okay, this is a little bit more advanced, but it basically uses that technique, except what I did is I rotated both of those layers opposite directions, as you can see in the background. I don't know if you can see that too good, but after I did that, I added the gradient behind it, making it light up, and then I put that checkerboard on top of it. I might teach you guys how to do that in a later video if you don't know how. That's really simple, but then I added this cool flame, doubled it, and the one behind it I used Gaussian. I forgot what I used, but it was like a sort of smear effect. It looks pretty cool. And I added my logo at the bottom. This one you can look at on DeviantArt. I'll post the link in the sidebar. Also the link to download GIMP if you've never heard of it before. Thank you guys for watching this, and please subscribe and comment for feedback, because I really need feedback. This is like my first video. Alright, bye guys.